Are you picking a wireless plan? Because it's not just about price, it's about coverage, features, and how you actually use your phone. Today, we're putting Google Fi and AT&T head to head. Which one's the smarter choice? So Google Fi, it's all about flexibility, seamless coverage. It automatically switches between T-Mobile, US Cellular, and Wi-Fi hotspots to keep your signal strong. Plans range from pay-as-you-go for light users to unlimited options. With international data included in over 200 countries. It's perfect for frequent travelers and those who value a simple, no-hassle connectivity. Its downsides are that prices can climb for heavy data usage, and customer support leans more digital than personal. Now, as far as AT&T, it's one of the big three carriers, known for extensive nationwide coverage, premium perks, and its plans include unlimited talk, text, and data, with options for high-speed hotspots and bundled streaming deals. Also, network reliability is excellent, especially in rural areas, and its premium tiers include priority data during congestion. But you'll pay for it. AT&T plans are often pricier than Google Fi, especially when adding multiple lines or extras. So, if global coverage and flexibility matter the most, Google Fi has a clear edge. But if you need rock-solid nationwide coverage and faster speeds in crowded areas and premium perks, AT&T delivers, though at a premium. So which carrier would you trust with your daily connection? Google's flexible network or AT&T's premium reach? Drop your pick in the comments, and if you want me to see, a comparison with Verizon or T-Mobile next, let me know. Catch you in the next video, and also, please don't forget to subscribe. Love ya, bye.